the basic layer functions in Infinite Painter. First, to add a new layer, tap the plus icon in the Layers menu. You can rearrange the order of your layers by holding and dragging them up or down. Select the bottom layer to change the background color or texture. To toggle a layer's visibility, tap the eye icon. Use Duplicate to copy a layer, Clear Layer to erase its content, and Delete to remove it completely. To merge layers, simply use the Merge Down option. With Clipping Mask, anything you draw on the upper layer stays inside the shape of the layer below, perfect for adding shadows or textures. You can select a layer's content and paint only inside it. Then remove the selection with Deselect when you're done. Adding a mask allows you to hide or reveal parts of the layer without deleting anything. Using Clipping Mask with a soft brush, you can easily create shadows on the shape below. Blend modes, like Multiply for shadows and Overlay for highlights, will help you create more natural effects. With these basics, you'll have much more control and flexibility while working with layers.